So when I'm going through the roundabout, if there is a pedestrian that's crossing the road, what do I have to do when I see somebody either walking or biking near a roundabout?
Well, so let me tell you first about what the bicyclist and the pedestrian should be doing. So the bicyclist has a choice. They can either ride through, if they're experienced riders and they're comfortable riding on the road,
Okay.
they can ride through like they're a car.
Okay, that makes sense.
Or they can pull off and they can walk their bike like a pedestrian. So the pedestrian, you've got sidewalks and crosswalks. The crosswalks are pulled back a little bit from the circle, and that's where you need to be crossing. So when pedestrians are crossing at the roundabout, what you want to do is you want to stop at the crosswalk. First of all, it's a state law, but secondly, it makes the roundabout work more efficiently. Once the pedestrian crosses, you can pull up to the yield line. When you pull up to the yield line, you start to watch for traffic that's coming through the circle.
Okay.
So you're only focusing either on the pedestrian or on the cars. You're not having to focus on both. It also works nice for the pedestrians because they only have to cross one lane of traffic at a time. They cross the inbound lane, they get out to the splitter island, the paved area in between the inbound and outbound lanes, and they can wait there and look for traffic coming the other direction. The key here is you also have to watch for pedestrians when you're leaving the roundabout. And that's the hardest thing to do because you're thinking about getting out of that roundabout, you're excited because you got through it and got to where you're going, and all of a sudden there's a pedestrian there.
So no matter where I am, whether I'm coming into the roundabout or whether I'm leaving the roundabout, if I see any pedestrians, bicycles, whatever, I'm supposed to yield to them and make sure that they can get through safely before I can proceed.
That's exactly right.
Okay, that makes sense.
For more information on Lake County roundabouts and to see more videos or resources, please visit the DOT website.